it's your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am giving you the Love Him Sparkle Makeup Glam for Valentine's Day. Yes, we are getting close to Valentine's Day, baby, so I wanted to give you this good sparkle glam, okay? If you like what you see, make sure you guys keep on watching. For my new boos that's just now seeing me, hey my boo, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that notification bell button either, because you don't want to miss the upcoming videos I got coming for you. So with that being said, we're not going to do any much ranting and raving. We're going to jump right into this video. Alright guys, so we're going to jump right into it. So first I'm going to be starting off, I'm using a couple of palettes today. So I'm going to be starting off with the Orange You Glad by ColourPop, okay? And I'm just going to be taking You Pill Me. I'm taking that and I'm going to put that all in my crease real quick. Alright, now since I have that down, I'm going to be going in with a shimmer. Just putting that, layering that in my crease a little bit more. And I'm going to be going into Squeeze Me. And I'm just going to be laying just that into my crease. You don't always have to take a shimmer and put it on your lid. You also can, you know, rub it in your crease. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be sparkling these eyes up, okay? I'm really just making this up as I go, but we're gonna get it together, okay? All right, moving right along. I'm gonna be jumping into this Lime Crime Venus palette, and I'm going to be jumping into Mud, this color right here. And I'm gonna just be placing just a little teeny bit of that in my crease. So actually what I'm about to jump in as well is Mud and Jam. So I just dip into both of these and just take it, put that right in my crease and in my inner corner and also my outer corner, because we're gonna bling out these lids, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just putting some dimension in my crease. All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to just be taking a little more of that concealer, and I'm just going to be lightly tapping it on my lid just a little bit. And I'm going to be just taking my finger and blending that out, just so that color can come right through. And do tapping motions. All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping in with a color. We're going to be jumping right back into that ColourPop. I'm going to be jumping in the Mimosa Mommy, and I'm just going to be patting that right where I put that concealer. This brush, this is just a regular Amazon brush, little flat brush that I'm going to be taking. Patting that right where I put that concealer. All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into Cementing. I don't know how to sound this out, but this cute glitter right here. Hope you guys can see it. It looks like it's like crushed glitter. Putting some setting spray on that. This has a lot of fallout, but it's so pretty. As you can see, I popped these lashes on off camera and just did a real line just to hide the lash. So now we're going to leave the eyes alone just for a minute, and we're going to jump right into face. I'm going to be jumping back into the 100% pure rosehip oil because I'm a little dry. I'm just feeling oil today. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, word of the day, word of the day. I forgot to give y'all my word of the day because I was so hype about these eyes. But the word of the day is never pretend who you are. Be who you are. Because at the end of the day, if you're not who you are, your spirit is going to snitch on you, boo. It will.
Wait a minute. Who are are you?
Be okay with loving not just the mask you, but at the same time loving you, the person that's really, really you. When you love that person more. So that's the word of the day, okay? Moving right along, we're going to be jumping into primer. And the primer I'm going to be using is the primer that I always use, and it is the Tarte Smoothless Timeless Primer. Love this primer. This primer is the bomb. You only need a little teeny bit. And we're going to be rubbing this all in my face. My eyebrows is looking good. It's looking good. They not looking too big. They not looking too crooked. You know, eyebrows be a struggle. You figured it? I'm hype about that. Okay. So now we're going to be jumping into powder. I like putting powder on my face before I put my foundation on. Oh, I gotta wash my blender. I'll be right back.
5 minutes later.
I'm back. Had to clean my beauty blender, and I'm going to be taking this MAC Perfecting Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to be taking this powder and putting it all over my face. Yes. Makes the skin look so good. You know what I'm saying? Moving right along, we're going to go into foundation, and for foundation I'm going to be using the NARS, and this is the Long Wear Radiant foundation. This is one of my faves, and I'm just going to put 2 little squirts on my hand, dab like that. I spray my face with some rose water facial spray. I like doing that. It really gets the foundation into the skin, and then I just blend it in. I like using a little teeny bit all over my face, and then just basically going in spaces that need to be filled instead of just keep layering and layering and layering. I don't like that cakey look, so the less foundation you put on your face, the more you can build. So now we're going to be going in with color correcting, so I'm just going to be taking and just putting it right here around my lines. I smile a lot. Cheese, cheese, cheese. I'm a cheesy person. And I'm actually using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the number 420. And then I just take a beauty blender and just blend that out real quick. You feel what I'm saying? So next, after that, I'm going to be jumping right back into Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I'm going to be putting some on the sides of my nose, going right under my eye. I like putting my concealer not all the way up under my eyes, just right below my eyes. Get around my nose real good. I do like a U under my nose like that, and then I just bring it down. Get my little butt chin. Little circle for the butt chin, you know. Then after that, I'm going to use the Shape Tape by Tarte, and this is in the color Tan Deep Sand. Touch right here. I'm going to blend this out. As you guys can see, I'm already kind of like creasing. I think my creasing boos that crease. So what? Like, so what? Okay? It doesn't matter. I mean, you're still beautiful. You're still gorgeous. But we're gonna bake. I have lines. I've always had lines, and some girls, they do. So it's like really nothing you can do, you know? I'm actually using the air spun. I love this. We're going to jump into contour, jumping right into this MAC Correcting palette, this right here, and I'm going to be going into the darkest brown. Tapping that right into the skin very lightly. Go right under where I contoured it. I blend that downward. Loving it, loving it. Yes, yes, yes. Next, I'm going to be going into the 3-step sculpt kit using my E4 brush, going into that contour just a little bit more, you know. Jump right back into the Studio Fix, and I'm just going to use my Japan brush and just fan it out. This is by MAC. I like to use powder to contour my nose. So we're going to go right back into that sculpt kit, and I'm going to be just taking this brush. It's like a pencil brush I got from Amazon. So now I'm going to take my Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. I like setting my face as I'm working on my face. Now we're going to go back into under eye. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this e.l.f. that I use for my lid, and I'm just going to put some of that under my eye. I'm going to jump into the mud, put that under my eye. Right after that, I'm going to jump into that jam, put that at the bottom. So, of course, we have to do inner corners, my boos. So I'm going to be jumping right back into that ColourPop, jumping into Squeeze Me, baby. Turn around and just squeeze me. No, I'm crazy. Come on. All right. Lay that right in my inner corner. So we're going to do a brown eyeliner, and then after that I'm going to put some Maybelline Great Lash. This is my favorite. This is all I use. Alright, now since we have that down, my boos, we're going to jump into lip, and for lip I'm going to just be using this brown eyeliner pencil. And this is by LA Color Girls. Alright, after that, after I line my lips, I'm going to be jumping into this Psycho color from Lime Crime. I like using this little fluffy brush. I got this from Morphe. Alright, now since we have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this Diamond Crusher Lime Crime. It smells so freaking good. Oh, that looks amazing. I'm going to jump right into highlight. I'm going to be using the Bombshell. It's the Cherrylicious Cherry Pie. This is my first time trying it. I'm not really big on loose pigment highlighters because sometimes they have the tendency to go on your face a little bit more than you want to. You feel what I'm saying? But we're going to spray this face real quick, and we're going to do some highlighting on this face. You know what I'm saying? I'm loving this highlighter. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Even though I have highlight, I still want to do blush. It was actually from NYX. I just wanted to try it because it was so cute, and it's called Sweet Cheeks Glow, and this is in the color Red Riot. So I'm just going to take a little bit and go above my cheeks. Alright, my boo, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, make sure you guys like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, my boo, because you do not want to miss the upcoming videos that I have for you guys. And if you want to be the first person to even see the video, make sure you guys hit that notification bell button. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.